Flowers are one of nature's most beautiful gifts. Their colorful petals, delicate shapes, and sweet fragrances make the world feel more alive. From bright roses and graceful lilies to tiny wildflowers, every flower has its own unique beauty. They bloom quietly, adding color and life to gardens, forests, and open fields. Flowers are also an important part of nature. Bees, butterflies, and other tiny creatures depend on them for nectar and pollen. In return, these little visitors help flowers continue their natural cycle. A simple flower reminds us that beauty doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, a few colorful petals and a gentle breeze are enough to make us stop and appreciate the wonderful world around us. This is Natural Beauty and Animals. Subscribe and stay connected for more beautiful moments from nature.